You guys, good afternoon. Quick one. I want to show my analysis in this PA actually, but let's delete everything. I want us to start from scratch, then explain what I'm actually in, like what I'm actually looking for, and why I'm actually looking for it. But before then, let's enter inside 4 hour time frame since we're finding our directional bias first. So in 4 hour time frame, you can see a resistance zone at this side. Sorry, the resistance zone at this side. This apex here, we got an apex rejection. I'm not really interested in that, but that's one confluence that actually giving me that what I should be looking for sell. And secondly, I'm looking for the sell side liquidity. So now back to my analysis. Let's go back to 1 hour time frame and show why I'm actually looking for the analysis. Firstly, we got a build up here, build up of liquidity around here, build up here, inducement at that high, tapping into that apex. So after that, we'll go another build up here. I got another build up here, market build up liquidity before tapping into that apex 2, and then the third one. Now we'll enter inside our 30-minute time frame. We'll go back to refinement. This is my supply zone around here. So supply zone around here, just fast analysis, build up around here. I got a build up here, and then what I'm expecting again, same thing that has been happening, the same language the market has been giving us, inducement and point of interest, like inducement, then market's pushing downward. So firstly, I'm going to be finding an aggressive entry, but before I find the aggressive entry, let's first know our target. I'm not going to be aiming for that target, that's that liquidity that I highlighted, but where I'm going to be aiming is I'm going to get my TP zones. That's the first TP side, 1, the second one, the second take profit here, 2, and third take profit around here, 3. So note, I'm going to be taking 3 trades. I'm going to be taking the first one. Instead of risking 1% of my account, I'm going to be risking 0.3% of my account per trade. So in total, I'm risking 0.9% of my account instead of that 1%. So in the first trade, as you can see, let's see, my first trade, I'm going to be aiming for something like 1 to what? Here is going to be aggressive, very aggressive. This is one I'm going to be aiming for. This low around here, so 1 to 7 around here. Then after a change of character, I'll be aiming for the next trade. I'll be aiming for this low around here, and then the third trade I'm going to be aiming for this low around here. So here I'll catch 1 to 7. The next one I'll be catching 1 to 8 around here, and then the third one I'm going to be catching 1 to 10 around here. So I did not leave any profit. Let's say 0.3%, 1 to 7, that should be approximately around, instead of 3%, let's say 2.1% of my account. So if you have a 10K account, I'm going to be aiming for $210. That's profit here. Then the other one maybe around, here maybe around 2.8, that's $280, or maybe $290. And then the third one I'm going to be aiming for $300 itself. So let's see how market goes. That's just how I backtested. I prefer doing position size and currently now. That's how I backtested and I see the market currently do. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to post more analysis. I'm going to be explaining my reasons for entering those trades.